Over 1 in 20 meals eaten out of the home are delivered by us. One way to improve local economies and to become environmentally sustainable is for the public sector to use its buying power to effect change. Approaches to procurement vary, even, for example, in school catering for a single local authority. But commonly, food procurement on a large scale is often by contract with very large suppliers who sign up to a set of standards, such as using food with the Red Tractor Authenticator mark. But the supplier does not provide information about food origin or ingredients to those preparing and eating the food. So there is no way to choose healthier, locally produced, or more sustainable food. Using local, small, and medium-sized enterprises would change that. So why don't we? Often, SMEs simply cannot supply the volume or range required. Procurement officers don't have the capacity to split single contracts into many smaller contracts for numerous SMEs. And because tender processes have historically been drawn up for large contracts and companies, the processes are designed for large companies and contracts. Therefore, meeting the technical requirements to tender an offer can require a small team of experts, which simply doesn't make economic sense to an SME, even though what they have to offer could be so valuable to our food systems. Unfortunately, transforming our food supply has become imperative. So how do we support SMEs? Policy changes at national and local level can incentivize procurers to prioritize SMEs. And training SME staff on how to write tenders can break down some barriers. But better still, new dynamic procurement platforms allow large orders to be automatically sourced directly from numerous small suppliers, rather than from one big supplier. Automating invoicing and logistics, and replacing this with a transparent marketplace that allow us to know and choose what gets put on our plates. Be free to choose. Visit our website to learn more about the things you can do to contribute to transforming public procurement and the wider food system.